Hello, this is Tom Kreuzer with a demo of the LXLE Linux operating system. And for this demo, I have recorded it using a package called Simple Screen Recorder, and that's a package which comes with the operating system. And I'm going to minimize it here. And this is what the desktop looks like after Linux is started up here. I have some menus up in this left-hand corner, and these are various folders with the software applications. So you can see it comes standard with all these applications. There's notepads, there's stuff for audio and video, and there's that simple screen recorder. Audacity is in here. There's some games, some graphic stuff to work with, some internet tools that you have. Office, LibreOffice is installed. And then you have kind of some system type things for maintaining the system there. In addition to the standard software, I ended up loading, I like the Chrome browser, and so I loaded that up. And let's start that up. It's going to take a little bit here to start up, and as it's starting, you can see over here up in the top here it shows us our RAM usage on the system and our CPU usage, and you can see because of the screen recorder and that we're pretty much maxing out our CPU usage here. If you didn't have the screen recorder on recording the screens and the audio, it'd be a little bit faster there, but it's still pretty fast. Brought up Chrome there. Let's go out to the PC site here, and so all my bookmarks, I share them across all my different platforms, my tablet, my smartphone, and that's one of the beauty of Chrome there. Also, I have installed AdBlock Plus for blocking ads, and LastPass for managing my passwords. So those work fine in the Linux operating system here. And you can see the look of the browser looks very much like Windows and that. And you do have your other keys for maximizing and minimizing and that. Let's go to the past meeting files. And you can see the cursor for selecting there is a little bit different, but let's go here and open up a handout. So this is a PDF file, and just to show you that within the browser it's opening up the PDF file fine, and we could print, view, all the standard things of a PDF file there. So everything is working the way that you'd normally expect it there. The menus and that, like I say, are a little bit different, but you'll get over that. I minimized it, and it goes down here. These are my open Google Chrome here and the simple screen recorder. You can have multiple desktops, so you can move stuff between desktops and manage it. It's a nice little system there. Getting back to the menus up here. This second menu here, this is kind of giving me access to the file manager and file manager at different locations. So if I wanted to go to the documents directory, I can go to the documents directory pretty easily here. And this gives you all your capabilities of copying, deleting, moving. If I put in a flash drive or an external drive, it's going to show up, and I'll be able to copy and do everything there. But you do have kind of a file manager there. This changes the pictures in the desktop here, and so you can play with that. And then this is a terminal. Terminal is like the DOS command line prompt, where you can do the commands, the Linux commands there. So that's kind of a quick there. One thing I will show is I'm going to go here to the shutdown and just show you one of the things that I don't like about it, and that I'll lock the screen, and when I lock the screen, what's going to happen here let me log in. So there is no box to log in. I just have to know that I can type. And let me put it in and hit enter, and it'll say verifying, and hopefully I put in the right password, and we're back in. So it did let me back in. But that's kind of one of the what I would call the user interface isn't as polished as you see in a Windows or in a Apple interface there. But it does work. You just have to learn different ways of doing things. So all in all, it works pretty good there, especially on underpowered machines, and you do have a lot of capabilities. Hope that helps. Bye for now. I'm going to bring up the recorder and we'll stop.